Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are current and linked. Update Watch OS and iOS, keep the watch charged, and sign into the same Apple ID. Once done, enable iCloud Sync for Siri and Health so contextual data flows. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Siri or Intelligence settings. Turn the Apple Intelligence toggles on. This gives the system the permissions and data it needs to begin personalizing responses and on-device suggestions. Next, focus on the middle configuration that makes Apple Intelligence useful. Grant app permissions for health, messages, calendar, photos, and location so suggestions can draw from your data. Then customize intelligence preferences, turn on proactive suggestions, set notification behaviors, and pick which app shortcuts appear as complications. Make sure to train Siri by speaking natural commands and confirming actions. That helps the model adapt to your voice and habits. After you finish, finally test the system with real commands. Ask for a summary of your day, a health insight, or to send a quick message, and use glance suggestions to confirm shortcuts appear. If things don't behave as expected, make sure permissions are correct, and then toggle Apple Intelligence off and on to force a reindex. If issues persist, restart devices, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or reset privacy and location settings, making sure you have backups, so data resyncs cleanly and intelligence recalibrates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.